Question 14 says convert the angle in degrees to radians. So again, what we learned from last time is some basic facts now is 2 pi radians is the same thing as 360 degrees. And we can say pi radians is half of that, so 180 degrees. So typically we use this one here, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So if I want to convert 173 degrees to radians, I have 173 degrees, and what I can do is multiply by the conversion factor. Since I want to convert to radians, the pi radians has got to be on the top, and the 180 degrees is going to be on the bottom. So the degrees will actually cancel out here, if you will. So what we have then is 173 over this 180. Well, try that again. 173 times then the conversion factor, which is pi over 180. By doing so, that will now be in radians. So if I do 173 times then in parentheses, pi is above the up arrow, divide by 180, that should turn us into radians. So 3.01, so rounds to decimal places, that'd be 3.02 radians. So 3.02 radians. Now remember, if I'm talking about an angle, so if this is the initial side, if I start rotating 173 degrees would be about here. So this angle here would be roughly 173 degrees. Notice that 180 degrees is here. So notice that 173 degrees should be really close to 180. And remember, pi is about 3.14. So it should make sense that 3.02 radians is pretty close to 3.14. So 3.02 radians would be our result there. And again, if you want to use your calculator, remember if your mode is in radian mode, which it is, all I really have to do is type in 173 degrees into the calculator. So find that little angle menu, put the degree symbol in. If I hit enter, it will automatically change it to our radian measure of that 3.01 or 3.02 radians. So you can use your calculator. Just make sure your calculator is in radian mode.